and sister moon. I seldom see you, seldom hear your tune, preoccupied with selfish misery. Brother wind and sister air, open my eyes to visions pure and fair, that I may see the glory around me.